Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter free play mode on Dress to Impress. So there's one in the lobby and there's one inside of the game. So in the lobby, it's this one here. There's free play mode, and I'll show you when I get in the game. For instance, you spawn in the game and you want to enter the free play mode. So what that basically is that you join the game, but you don't get you don't have the time here, and you're not going to be on the runway. So for the free play one, you come here next to the salon, and then you can just join free play mode and then press yes. Let's just load, and as you can see, there won't be a timer here, and you can just play as you wish, I guess. I'll just put on something first. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing, but you don't need to walk on the runway, and you won't get stars though here. But it's pretty fun. You can be the judge, and you can walk the actual runway here and strike a pose. Then here, when you press E, you can be the judge. So when someone's on the runway, you want to give it a 10, you can do that. 0 from 10. So yeah, that's how you can enter the free play mode on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.